All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are working on midpoint formula. Midpoint means finding the middle. So we are going to follow these instructions on this sheet. And I know you have colored pencils. I'll tell you when you should be using them. Please let me know if you have trouble seeing, or if you need me to slow down. Okay, we're going to plot point 2, 3 with your regular pen or pencil. And we're going to go over 6, 9. Okay, we plotted those 2 points. We're going to take a straight edge. I just like to use a piece of paper. You can use a ruler if you'd like. You're going to draw that straight line, okay? We're going to draw the slope of the triangle. This is when we need to get out a colored pencil, okay? So I'm going to take a colored pencil, and I'm going to see how much it goes up and how much it goes over. So I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I went over 1, 2, 3, 4. Please stop talking while I'm talking. Please let me know if you're confused. Still really isn't big enough, is it? That's good? Yeah. I'm going to wait a second. So I plotted points 2, 3, and then I plotted point 6, 9. And then I connected them with a straight line. And then I took out my colored pencil, and I drew in the slope of 6 over 4. Okay, we are now going to find the middle. What is half of 6? 3. Okay, so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. What's half of 4? 2. So I'm going to go over 1, 2. Where they meet, that is my midpoint. So I'm now going to list that point. That point is 4, 6. That is my midpoint. How are we feeling about this?
Is it always going to be the opposite of the slope?
It may or may not be. Let's try some more before we come to that conclusion. All right, are you ready to try another one, or do we need another minute? Okay, guys. We are going to do the next one the same way. First, I'm going to plot -2, -3. Then I'm going to plot -8, -7. Okay. Then I'm going to take a straight edge and draw a line between them. Then I'm going to take a colored pencil. I like to use a different color so that I don't get them mixed up with the previous one. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then you can either take a different color or go back to your pen or pencil if you want. Go up to 1, 2, and go over 3. 1, 2, 3. Where they meet, that is our midpoint, which is -5, -5.
Yeah.
Is that what you guys get?
Is where the slope is even line.
Any questions so far? Yes.
What if the slope can be evenly divided?
We will do one like that. Just wait. Good question. Jacob, you need to come get one of these papers. Okay, let's turn the page, guys. Okay, again, same routine. We're going to plot these points. -2, +6, +3, -5. Take your straight edge. Okay. Then we're going to draw in our slope. I have to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I've got to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yes?
Basically, are you doing is just drawing the points together?
Yeah, I'm drawing the points together, and then I am marking the slope. So how much did I have to go down? How much did I have to go over? All right, so here's what Andrea was talking about. How are we going to do this when we don't have an even numbered side? So I'm going to go over 1, 2 1/2. Okay, I'm going over 2 1/2 because I know that is halfway. And so for 11, I'm going to go 5 1/2. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1/2. And then I'm going to draw my line straight in. Okay, so my midpoint is right here. It's at 0.5, 0.5, right? How do we feel about that? Does that make sense? Okay. Let's try number 4. All right, my points are 3, 8, and 10, -2. I'm going to connect my points. And then I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then again I want to do the middle. Well, 10 is easy because I'm just going to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 7 I'm going to go 3 1/2, right? 1, 2, 3 1/2. And I'm going to have them meet. So I'm at, let's see, 6 1/2 and 3. turn the page. Oh, let's answer these questions at the bottom. Sorry, 5's on the bottom. All right, in each problem above, how did you find the x-coordinate of the midpoint? Half of the, what do we call it when we do the slope? We call it rise over. So I'm going to say half of the run. Does that make sense to you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn it over, number 6. In each problem above, how did you find the y-coordinate? It's half of the rise. Okay? Using your answers 5 and 6 to write a formula for finding the midpoint of the segments from A to B and C to D. Okay, what we did right now, if I ask you to find the midpoint, you can always do it that way. A lot of people don't like graphing though, so I want to show you the formula. Okay, so my x-coordinates are A and C. How would I find the half of the distance between A and C? Okay, first thing you're going to do is go A, what? Plus C divided by 2. And B plus D, we think? Okay, divided by 2. All right, we have to try this to make sure it works. Our coordinates for number 4 are 3, 8, and 10, negative 2. I'm not telling you this is the right answer. I'm telling you we have to try it to see if it works. Okay, so we're going to go 3 plus 10, divide that by 2. And we're going to do 8 plus negative 2 divided by 2. 3 plus 10 is 13. What's half of 13?
6.5.
6.5, good. What's 8 minus 2? What's 6 divided by 2? Okay, does that match our previous?
Yeah.
Okay, should we try one more just to make sure? Let's try number 3. Negative 2, 6. And 3, negative 5.
Is this easier?
It depends on what kind of person you are. So we're going to go negative 2 plus 3 over 2. And 6 plus negative 5 over 2. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So we get 1/2. 6 plus negative 5 is 1. So we get 1/2. Is that the correct answer for number 4?
Yeah.
Number 3? Yes. 0.5 and 0.5, that's the same as 1/2. So this is our formula. Okay, I don't care if you graph it or if you use your formula. I would like for this homework tonight, you do both. Okay, if you are in Tasia's position, you're going to put away the colored pencils. If you're in Devin's position, you're going to put away the calculators. And if you're in Kenny's position, you're going to pick up homework for each person in your group.